start. Mommy said, boys and girls, I have made some cookies for tea, Mommy said.
Cookies? Just a big dad.
Thank you, but wait, okay? So, Mommy said, I've made some cookies for you. And this is Sam. We say hello, Sam.
Hello, Sam.
And that's Victoria. Hello, Victoria.
Hello, Victoria.
So the boys and girls are all very good, Mommy. I'm very hungry. So they say, yay!
What is
Mommy.
Mama?
Yes, very hungry. So they say, thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes, and Mommy said,
Cookies.
Mommy said, here are the cookies for you. I made, Mommy, I made a lot of cookies for you. And Sam said, thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Victoria said, thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
So Sam and Victoria, they start to share the cookies.
Cookies.
So this is how we share the cookies. So we say, one for Sam, the boy. Oh, the boy goes here. The boy, Sam. One for Sam, one for Victoria. Hold hands. One for, later. One for Sam. One for Victoria. 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 Oh, very good. And the tray is clean. So I say, wow, very good. So let's take a look. How many cookies do they have? So yeah.
Cookie and big dad. 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 cookies for Sam. What about Victoria?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 cookies for Victoria. Very hungry. Up behind the line. Ding, 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 ding. Eat. Here is a behind the line. Line. Ding, 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 ding. Up, see the line. Ready? Okay. So Sam and Victoria said, oh, ready to eat the cookies? Ready? Go! And no, not yet. And then Mommy goes, and then Mommy says, no one made the best cookie of Grandma's. The grandmother makes the best cookies. Tina? And it goes, ding dong. Ding dong. Who is it? So Mommy go hit the door. It was their friend. So it's Tom and Hannah, their friends. So they said, come on in. Come on in. So they went in. And they said, wow, you have cookies? Let's share the cookies. Okay, so now we have Sam, Victoria, and Sam, Victoria, Tom. And they said, let's share the cookies. They said, okay, then let's share the cookies. Then they share the cookies one more time. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 people now. Take a look. So they have Sam, Victoria, and oh, where's the line? Let me see. Ready? Okay. So they have Sam, Victoria, Tom, and Hannah. 1 for Victoria. 1 for Tom. 1 for Hannah. 1 for Sam. 1 for Victoria. 1 for Tom. 1 for Hannah. 1 for Sam. 1 for Victoria. 1 for Tom. And 1 for Hannah. Okay. Good. So let's count. They have 1,
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So they go, okay, now we can have 3 cookies. Oh, very hungry. Let's eat the cookies. Ready? Good. Let's eat the cookie. Ding dong. Ding dong. So mommy go get the door. It's their friend. It was Peter and the little brother. So mommy said, come in. Come in. They said, oh, you have cookies. Oh, we're hungry. Let's have some cookies. So they came in. And take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children now. So let's take a look. So they have 6. Oh yes. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So let's go. So we have 1 for Sam, 1 for Victoria, 1 for Tom, 1 for Hannah, 1 for Peter, and Peter's little baby cousin. 1 for Sam, 1 for Victoria, 1 for Tom, 1 for Hannah, 1 for Peter, and 1 for Peter's cousin. So that's 1, 2. So they say everybody gets 2 cookies. Okay, 2 cookies, that's okay. Woo, very hungry. Ready for the cookies? Ready for the cookies? Okay, then they say, okay, let's eat the cookies. Ready? Go! Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Who are they? And it was Joy and Simon with their cousins. And how many little children now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we have to do it again.
Bye-bye.
Ooh.
Bye-bye, big guy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cookie. Bye-bye, cookie.
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let me check the line. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Let's share the cookies. 1 for Sam, 1 for Victoria, 1 for Tom, 1 for Hannah, 1 for Peter, 1 for Peter's cousin, 1 for Joy, 1 for Joy's cousin. And all the cousins. So everybody gets
Cookie.
1 cookie. everybody gets 1 cookies? Is that okay? Okay. Very hungry. Ready for the cookies? Ready for the cookies? Yeah. Okay. So they say, wow. Everybody has 1 cookie. Everybody has 1 cookie. Yeah. So they go. Ready for the cookies?
Okay.
Let's eat the cookies. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. You have only 1 though. Do you want to open the door? Melody, do you want to open the door? Or no, don't we close the door. So everybody goes. No, don't open the door. And we finish the cookies. So and look at the children. They go, oh, cookies. And the doorbell goes ding dong, 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 ding dong. And everybody, take a look. I feel very sad. What? What about our cookies? Only 1 cookie now. And they're still ding dong. Who wants to open? Do you want to open the door? With more cookies. Is it nice? Ding dong. Take a look. Who's that? It was grandmother. Grandmother came with more cookies. Yeah, so everybody had a lot of cookies. Good. Chocolate cookies. Okay. So, cookies for break time. Cookies for break time. Okay, not now. Cookies for break time. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, a lot of cookies. Can we put it on the table, Melody? Can we put it on the table? Break time.